Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how the Earth is habitable. So we'll go over the necessary characteristics to sustain life on a planet, and why is it that Earth has these things and other planets don't. So first of all, let's go into what is necessary to obtain life on the planet. So liquid water is necessary, oxygen, and in order to have oxygen, there has to be an atmosphere. So atmosphere is one of the characteristics. We need to have protection from solar winds, sunlight to keep our plants living and obviously to keep us alive. Um, and then we need protection from the sun, from those sun's rays. We need soil to be able to plant um, vegetables and the necessary things that keep us alive, like trees. And then carbon dioxide, which we obviously emit, and that helps keep our plants alive. We also, in order to eat and grow the things we need the sun, soil, and carbon dioxide. So Earth has all of those things. But why is it that Earth has these things? So it's Earth's mass, its position from the sun, and its magnetic field are what keeps those characteristics on our planet. So the mass holds onto the atmosphere that we need to survive. The position from the sun has to be close enough so that we're warm and so that the water isn't ice. So that way we're able to use it and drink it. And then the magnetic field that we have protects from the solar winds and it holds on to our atmosphere. So why does Earth have an atmosphere? First of all, the atmosphere is important because it allows us to have oxygen to breathe. It also allows us to give off carbon dioxide in order for planets to, or I'm sorry, for plants to take it in. So the mass of the planet gives it its gravitational pull on gas molecules, and the temperature gives molecules a higher velocity. So the mass and the temperature are the two characteristics of keeping an atmosphere around a planet. So, with that being said, not every planet is able to keep an atmosphere. It depends on if the molecules can escape the gravitational pull. So, not every planet has that perfect combination of the right mass and the right temperature to keep an atmosphere um, around a planet. So, Jovian planets are much larger than the terrestrial planets. So that means that Jovian planets have a larger escape velocity. So molecules have to move very fast to be able to escape, and that is why they don't have the habitable atmosphere. So why is the magnetic field so important? The magnetic field is important to Earth's habitability because it protects our planet from solar winds and helps to keep our atmosphere. The solar wind strikes the Earth's magnetic field, and that in turn leads to the solar winds being deflected around the Earth, and this in turn shields the planet. Only strong solar storms and the most energetic particles can penetrate that shield. So the reason why Mars isn't habitable is because it lacks that magnetic shield. Um, and Earth's magnetic shield protects life from comets and asteroids coming through the atmosphere.